Good morning, second graders. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, and we are going to be working on area. So we've been working on perimeter, which is the distance around the shape. Today we're going to learn about area, the space inside of a shape. So I want you to learn more about area by watching Brain Pop Junior Area, and then I want you to come back and complete V3 and V4. If I look at V3, it says the shape is made out of unit squares. What is the area of the shape? Well, 2, 4, 6, 8. I can count by twos because they're in rows of twos. It is 8 square units. What the shape is made up of unit squares. What is the area of the shape? 1, 2, 3. And then continue. Then the second one is select figures with a given area. V4. Which shape has an area of 5 square units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope, that one. Which shape has an area of 4 square units? 3, 4. Okay, so I want you to try to get to 100 on your IXLs. If you get shot down, then get to at least 90. And then optional is extra math today, which I would love if you would push yourself to do, since today should be a little bit less than usual for math. All right, have fun learning about area.